Today I'm making the world's best cup of coffee. I've got my French press, I've got my coffee grinder. Let's get started.
World's best cup of coffee.
First, we're gonna grind our coffee beans. You'll be surprised where I get these. They are very reasonably priced, and I'll share with you later. First step, fresh ground coffee. It only takes a minute or so, and our coffee is all ground. It's a medium to coarse grind. Let's put some in our carafe. All right, I'll place 1 tablespoon of coffee for each 8 ounces of water. Our carafe holds 32 ounces of water, so I've got 4 tablespoons of coffee. Okay, first I brought the water to a boil and then I let it cool just a bit. We want our water temperature about 200 degrees when we pour it into the carafe. Just about right. Now we want to stir just a bit with a wooden spoon. Don't want to damage our carafe. And we'll place the lid on. We'll let this sit and steep for 4 minutes. Our coffee has steeped for 4 minutes. Now we'll press down the presser thing. That's so fun. All right. Here's our coffee. Doesn't that look good? All right, I'm gonna give this a try. I'm a lefty. Let me see if I can pick up the camera, bring it around. The world's best cup of coffee. You gotta try this. For those interested, I bought this whole bean coffee at Costco. It's 2.5 pounds for $14.99. Thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe. We'll see you next time. That's good.